I'm sitting here Facebook stalking. I don't see nothing but bitches talking. The whole convo, I can see it all, cause I'm looking at your wall to wall.
Who? You! Skull Barrel Gangster. You know how we do both.
You!
My toaster remix, one card. We did it again. Hey, college students in this hoe, Facebook and who we know. Watch us crank that Facebook and super poke that holder. Watch me, you take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo.
I hate those classes where you do work non-stop. That's why I'm always in there with my laptop. I'll be up in the back just chilling in the cut. And you know damn well I'll be Facebooking it up. Looking at everyone's status updates and scrolling down one of my homegirls' page. Sending bumper stickers and writing on walls. And what the fuck? There's a sticker with some dude's balls. So a she's fat a bitch on Super Poke while checking my daily horoscope. Tell them not a bit of truth in their honesty box. But if you cool, I'ma add you to my entourage. And you know Facebook is great for stalking beats. Just keep track of the whole motherfucking news feed. But sometimes they really gotta let you be. Like, damn, could you stop fucking poking me? Silent she is in this hoe, Facebook and who we know. Watch us break that Facebook and people go that hold on. Watch it, you take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo. I'm sick of all these bitches trying to be snitches, looking at her page.
She know that ain't her age.
I'm tired of all these hoes always changing their status like I give a fuck.
Or it really matters.
Stuff's always changing, something to look forward to.
Last week was this dude, now she got a new boo.
Woke up this morning to check my Facebook. Found a surprise, I was kinda shook. This Facebook chat, what a twist. At first I was hating, now I'm loving this shit.
College students in this hoe, Facebook and who we know. Watch us crank that Facebook and super folks that hoe. Now watch me, you take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo. You take that photo. I'm sitting on my ass cause I just got back from class. Writing on walls, hoping people will grow some balls and start writing in my box, cause they met me at the dock. Now when I'm checking my inbox, people telling me that I'm hot, trying to put up these pics and tag all my chicks. Facebook to go, all my sidekicks. I wish people would stop sending me applications. I'm trying so hard not to leave my applications. Now it's late at night, you been on all day, right? One tab on Word, the other one on Facebook. Every few seconds you stop working till you take a look. Reading these feeds and refreshing my page. Everyone knows Facebook just a phase. Facebook is perfect for all them nosy bitches or all the features who trying to be snitches. I'm dating this new dude and he got some potential. Put it on Facebook, now it's official. Bitch hit my phone cause I took her off my top. Told her to fall back and get off my job. Scarborough Gangster, we started off deep. You can call us Real Dub or Future Room Me. Toaster the one, call my toaster remix. You know how we end this. Deuces.